Hi there, tubers. It's me here. Just gonna see if we can't get this thing started. Got about a year-old gas in it. It hasn't been started in about 6 months. So let's see what we can do. Just to let you know, it's one of them Baja bikes from Canadian Tire there. Throttle ain't stuck. Well, I'm gonna prime it. See if oh, here's some gas right here. See if we can't do it this way. There we go, it almost started. Just looks like, just doesn't want to start. Don't really want to take that off. It's got gas in it. Maybe this gas just doesn't have enough octane in it to start. Well, that's it for today. Got it running a bit there, but I'm gonna see if we can't get it all back together. Okay, yeah. Bye.